likely the small engine mechanic.
What was Buddy thinking? Look at that. I hope those threads are okay. Get this boot off. Ah, freaking great. There's another problem. Plug threads are okay. Oh jeez. It's hard to see, but I think his threads are messed up. Oh, people.
What you guys saw here was one of the worst things you ever want done to your engine. It's second to running it with no oil in it and seizing it. Someone had their spark plug loose in there and it was running and it started stripping the threads. The only real fix for that is replacing the whole head of your engine.